Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. This has been requested a lot, and I've been meaning to do it for a long time. And if you remember in my DIY Marauders map video, I mentioned possibly adding things later, such as character footprints. So based on your comments, I decided to go ahead and add Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Draco Malfoy, and Severus Snape. Go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies you'll need, as well as the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. First, you will want to download and print the free templates that I'm providing. And these I did print on 11 by 17 paper, but I'll also have 8.5 by 11 templates as well. And the 11 by 17 works with A3 paper. The 8.5 by 11 will work with A4 paper. Cut these out with a ruler and X-Acto knife. So you'll just want to line your ruler up with the edges of what you want to cut out. Take your X-Acto knife and then just follow along the edge of the ruler there, and it should cut a straight line. And once you have these all cut out, you should have Snape, Draco, Ron, and Hermione. So basically these are just gonna fold in half with the footprints on the inside. So we'll just fold this in half like this. So when you open it up, it should be blank on the outside, and when you open it up, it should have Snape on the inside. And then the reverse side here is a little paler, and it says glue on it. So you know you want to glue this side down. So go ahead and just fold all of these in half. And now you want to get out your Marauders map. These are only going to work with my version of the Marauders map. So you'll need to have this map in order to use these templates. So if we open it up to the first page, this is where Hermione's going to go, right here in the arithmancy class. So this will go right here. It should line up, looks like right there is about the right spot. And then when we open it up, we'll see Hermione Granger in the classroom. So just get a piece of scrap paper, and then we're going to apply glue to the back of the flap. And then we'll just go ahead and line this up and glue it down. So now we should have a new flap in here, which opens up to reveal Hermione. You want to keep going, and then you want to open up this extra section here for the map. And right here in the Hall of Hexes is where we're going to put Draco. So this piece where it says Poltergeist Passage, we can line that up. So again, let's just line this up and glue it in. So now right here, this flap opens up and we have Draco Malfoy. Okay, let's continue on. We have two more to go. The next one, open up to the very middle right here. And as you can see in the middle, we have Harry Potter right here. And we have Peter Pettigrew right here. So Snape is actually going to go here. Just go ahead and line this up and glue it in as well. So there's Snape. So now if we continue to move along in the map, you can close this whole extra piece up here, and we're going to open up this part of the map. And Ron is going to go right here in Gryffindor Tower. Again, just use your glue stick and line up and glue this in. All right, and that should do it. Now we have added all 4 of the new flaps. And again, I will be adding more footprints and possibly 3D stairs and other things to my map, which if you have one, you can follow along with these. If not, I'm also doing mods to the official Noble Collection map. So if you have one of those, you'll be able to modify that map as well. Now also, if you don't have a copy of my Marauders map, I give them away quite frequently on my channel. Unfortunately, I can't provide the templates to the full map anymore. I used to do that, but that's something that Warner Brothers won't let me do anymore. So you might be able to contact one of my followers who have already downloaded the map, and they might be able to share it with you. And now to announce the winner of this map in this video with the extra footprints. This is for the 17K giveaway. And the winner is Yamila Komini. Congratulations, I have sent you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize. And 20K is approaching very fast, much faster than I expected. And I did mention in a previous video that I had plans for a 20K giveaway. So that special giveaway is going to include a Muggle Magic mystery box. Now, this is going to contain a Marauder's map, a Quibbler, and 5 mystery items. Now, some of these things are going to be things I've done in previous DIY videos, but a couple of these things are going to be brand new projects that I have not released videos for yet. So you'll be getting something that's basically no one else has seen yet. Also, when I select a winner, I'll need you to let me know what Hogwarts house you're in, because I'll be kind of customizing this box for you. If you're interested in a chance at winning my 20K giveaway, go ahead and check out the description box below. There's a link to weekly giveaways that may be going on, as well as my 20K giveaway. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.